My strategy will be pretty simple and straightforward, but before we get into that, let me tell you why dropshipping on X. And there are three main reasons why I think X will become one of the big four in 2025. The first reason is the platform itself. Since Elon bought Twitter, he has completely rebranded the platform, and that was not just changing the logo. He has also introduced a bunch of new features like Grok, community notes, X Premium, and the most important one, free speech. And due to these changes, X has gained a lot of attention all around the world and has become the #1 news source on the planet. This gives us a completely new user base which is unsaturated, and that alone is an incredible opportunity, especially for new dropshippers. The second reason is the cost per click on the platform. X is now by far the cheapest platform to advertise on, with only 38 cents per click. I mean, X is now less than half the price of both Facebook and TikTok, and 9 times cheaper than Instagram. And this low cost per click is due to completely other reasons compared to other platforms. For example, TikTok is a lot cheaper than Instagram because of the low attention span of its users. But unlike Instagram, X's user base has a really high attention span, so why is X so cheap then? Well, one of the reasons is that when Elon bought the company, advertisers have boycotted X due to his free speech policies, which of course affected the CPC. Another reason is because Elon also fired about 80% of the staff, which lowered the cost per click on the platform. Now, the third reason why I think X will become one of the big four is the incentives they offer to all advertisers. Not long ago, until the end of 2024, X has launched an incentive which was offering you $500 in ad credit for free when spending $250 on X ads. That is 3 times the amount you spent, which would allow you to test products essentially for free. Now, that offer has ended, so X has given us an even better incentive in my view, which is related to the verified organization badge. It will essentially let everyone know that you are indeed a legit company, which will exponentially increase your conversion rate. And all of that comes at the cost of $191.58 a month billed annually, but that also gives you 2,500 ad credits for free, so you are basically receiving all the benefits of the gold badge as a bonus. But if you do not want to pay all at once, or you would simply like to test your product, you can tap here on the monthly plans. And if it turns out that your product is a winner, X offers this incentive which gives you $3,000 in ad credit for free after spending an equal amount. So if you are scaling your store to that point, the odds are that you will likely be profitable. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you have any other questions, you can find me right here at this handle on both X and Instagram. Once again, subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you guys in the next video.